What's up guys, and welcome back to another DS18 unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18 and today the GEN-X series. Now this series is 2-way, 3-way and 4-way. It comes from 4x6s all the way to 6x9s. Now these speakers, some have grill, some don't have grill, but trust me, the sound quality and how they look, you're gonna be impressed. Let's start off with the 4x6. Check this baby out. Real cool design. It has the red DS18 dome tweeter, rubber surround. It has the red stitching. This is paper cone. We got a boot protector for the magnet. Nice connectors. It's sold as pairs. Now we go on to the 4 inches. Now the 4 inches does come with the grill. Same 2-way design with the nice tweeter. You can see the stitching around this one as well. The back part also has a boot to protect the magnet. It's connector, real nice. Comes as pair, and remember, brings the grills. Now let's go to 5 1/4. 5 1/4 comes with the grill. This one's also a 2-way speaker. Real nice, stitching surround, rubber surround, the paper cone with the DS18 logo. Also has a boot in the back to protect the magnet. Comes as pair with the grill. Now, 3-way, 5x7. Check this one out. Nice 5x7. Has a DS18 tweeter and it has a smaller tweeter next to it. Has the stitching all around it. It has the rubber surround, the black paper cone. This one does not come with the grill, so keep that in mind, guys. Comes with the boot protector in the back. Sold as pair. Remember, no grill. Now, the 6 1/2 comes with the grill. This is a 3-way as well. Comes with the grill, rubber surround, the nice tweeter next to the other tweeter, the stitching around it, the black cone, boot in the back, connector. Sold as pair. And comes with the grill. And the beastie 6x9. Check this one out. Also comes with the grill. And this is a 4-way. That's right, a 4-way. Check this beast out. Look how the cone's designed. This one has 3 tweeters on front. Look how beefy it looks, how beastie. It also has the boot to protect the magnet. Good connectors. Sold as pair. And it comes with the grill. So there you guys have it, the GEN-X series. All the links are going to be posted below, so you guys can choose which one you like to your convenience. Check them out. If you want to buy one, you know what to do. Now, thank you guys for tuning in for another DS18 unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.